Before we begin, let's hold the intention of connecting with all the other people participating in this prayer group. Let's also connect our intentions with all other groups and individuals around the globe who are praying, meditating, and working towards the creation of a more humane world. So I invite you to lie down or sit comfortably with your spine straight. Take a few inhalations and exhalations, letting go of any stress and worries of the day. Just allow yourself to sink into the present moment. Now visualize and feel a white light that comes to you from the farthest reaches of outer space. A divine light of the highest vibration imaginable. This light begins to flow down into your head, filling your mind with a deep state of peace. It enters your throat, releasing all the words and emotions that are trapped there. It flows into your shoulders, releasing all the heavy burdens you've been carrying for so long. It flows down through your back, relaxing all the muscles of your back. The white light flows now through your arms and out through your fingertips, and you realize that there is nothing you need to hold on to. The white light flows down into your heart, healing old emotional wounds. Then it flows down into your vital organs, purifying each and every one of them. It flows down now through your legs and out through the soles of your feet. This white current of light that enters your head and flows through your entire body connects you with the source of all creation. Take a few moments to feel this divine and cosmic force flowing through you, and allow yourself to align with it. So we humbly, respectfully, and lovingly call upon the sacred feminine deities from different cultures and religions around the world. We invoke Kali, Ishtar, White Buffalo Calf Woman, Amaterasu, Blue Tara, Pachamama, Kuan Yin, Sedna, Ixchel, Danu, Kotlike, Athena. We also call upon all of the virgins, the different representations of Mother Mary from all villages, towns, provinces, and countries around the world. And we ask these sacred and divine feminine deities to unite their essence and light and envelop planet Earth and her inhabitants. May their blessings and interventions clear away all darkness and evil. May their ancient wisdom and compassion elevate the minds of men and women in position of power, so that their priorities will include service to humanity and the environment. May their feminine healing powers of forgiveness touch the hearts and heal all ancient rivalry and hatred between certain religions, races, and cultures. May their light bring an end to all wars and political conflicts. May, through their efforts and interventions, all people on earth have sufficient food, clothing, shelter, and medical care. May the air, waters, and earth be purified, and may they ensure that measures be taken to preserve these natural resources. May the divine, sacred feminine awaken the sacred masculine and enable a new phase to begin. Take a few moments to visualize the earth enveloped, engulfed, bathing in the light of all of these divine feminine beings. Visualize, sense, and feel the requested changes and transformations already underway. I'll give you a few minutes to do so. Thank you, divine goddesses, for hearing our prayers and allowing our call to reach you. Thank you for all of the blessings received and that are right now in the process of manifestation all around our beloved planet. Amen. Shalom. Mahomi takoyasin. Namaste. In Lakesh Alakim. Shanti. So be it. So it is. You may now slowly bring your attention back to your body and the space that you are located in. Inhale and exhale a few times. And when you feel ready, you may open your eyes.